Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 E63S wagon. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 603 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG forged cross-spoke wheels. This one also has the night package with high gloss black accents on the front, side, and rear. V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side. A macchiato beige leather interior with a Designo black piano lacquer flowing lines, wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, AMG E63S badging, gloss black rear diffuser with AMG stamping, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, driver's assistance package with speed limit assist, speed limit pilot, pre-safe, Distronic Plus, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with a heated front armrest, rapid heated front seats, heated steering wheel, AMG illuminated door sill, AMG logo which appears when you open the door, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, glass black center console, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, electronic suspension adjustments, parking cameras, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E63 wagon has 13,381 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E63S wagon AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.